It was a cold, cold day just before Christmas, and it had started snowing. Thomas and Percy were hard at work. Thomas and Percy, said Sir Topham Hatt, our engineers have been busy building a new track for you. All we need now is a lot of snow, and I think we will tonight, so you can use the track tomorrow. Thomas, you'll need these 3 trucks though. Thomas coupled up to the trucks as Percy moved out of the way. The next morning, Thomas woke up on the new track. Overnight, he'd been moved and had his paintwork changed, and it had really snowed hard. This track is great, said Percy, who was already using the new track. Thomas was surrounded by candy canes. He started. As he went through the first building, Santa in his sleigh dropped down. Do you want a lift? Shouted Thomas, and Santa got into one of the trucks. Thomas continued. At the next building, a barrel rolled down the chute and into the back truck. Oh, I have deliveries to make as well, said Thomas. He continued through a tunnel and arrived at the school where the children had made presents for the elderly folk of the town, and he put them in his truck to deliver later. I think Thomas will be back nearer Christmas with presents for the children. Thomas continued on his journey, going up and down all the slopes and back through the buildings.
My favorite time of year. Season's greetings. Special delivery. I have to deliver these presents to the children.
Thomas and Percy had a wonderful time on the new track, which is actually the Thomas and Friends Trackmaster Holiday Cargo Delivery Set. The set is large and is designed to go completely around the base of the Christmas tree. Its white track gives a snowy appearance on any surface. Thomas says seasonal phrases and tunes on his journey. There are 3 stop and goes for the 3 buildings, allowing time to put Santa's sleigh into one of Thomas's trucks. It also allows time for the barrel to roll down. Then at the school you can collect and deliver presents. A great Christmas holiday playset. Thanks for watching our story. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and then have a look at another story by clicking any of the pictures. Happy holidays! See you soon!